Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about making this wig. I'm going to show you guys how I use this bundles enclosure to make a wig. The hair is actually from Klaiyi. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm just going to leave the details of the hair vendor in the description box below. The hair is actually 324 inches and 120 inches closure, and I started by laying the closure down flat on my cap and I sewed it from side A to side B. I tried as much as possible to be show you guys the detailed process of this whole wig making, and just it's self-explanatory, but try my best to explain the things I'm doing so far. And the most important thing that I do when it comes to sewing my closure is that I make sure that I use my pin to lay the closure flat on the cap, because if the closure is not laying flat, then there might be a problem as for the end result. So the flatter the closure is, the better the result of your wig. So I tend to use the pin to hook the closure on the wig cap, laying flat on all the sides. Then I sew the wig from part A to part B. You can start from your left side, you can start from your right side, depending on how comfortable you had to sew your closure. But in this video I showed you guys the L shape method that I do sometimes. So I sew the hair from my left hand to the back, then from my right hand to the back. So it's self-explanatory really. You guys are gonna see how I do that in this video, and that really helps me a lot. It makes my closure sitting on my head very flat and nice. But if you want your closure to lay flat on your head, it's very important that you use your pin to lay the closure down flat on the cap, and be sure that the pin stays in place. The pin has to stay in place, as in hold the closure in place. Otherwise, if the pin moves or anything like that, then your closure might be sewn in the wrong place and look funny. But that's that for the closure. Then I move on by sewing the bundles. The bundles are actually the same length, so there was no need for me to layer them whatsoever. So what I did was just sew the first bundle at the back, the second bundle in the middle, and the last bundle at the top of the cap. So that's what I did so far. I doubled the weft at the back. Generally that's what I do. I double the weft at the back. I used the folding method. So when I got to the edge of the cap, then I fold the hair back towards the other side to sew the hair backward, if that makes sense. That's what I'm doing right now. Then I use the pin to hold the hair down, just to keep the hair in place, so I'll be sure of where I'm sewing the hair to, if that makes sense. But apart from that, I am just sewing the hair from part A to part B, and making sure that the two doubled wefts are on the same side, if that makes sense, because you don't want to sew one down and the other one would be down, tucking out of the wig or the cap. I don't know how to explain that anyway, but make sure that the two that you're doubling are on the same place at the same time, so that the hair won't be popping out when you wear your wig. I did the same thing on the other side as well. I keep using the folding method until I got to the top. But as always, when you get to the top of your wig, you do not want to double the weft, because this might make your wig look bulky. So when I got to the top, I decided to go for the single method. You can see that I was checking every minute if the bundles that I doubled up were on the same length or place, so that one of them would not be popping out of the wig cap. So I always try to use the same sewing process, but I showed you guys another way that you could sew your bundles. I don't know if this is too fast or anything, but if it's too fast, please let me know down below, so that I would make another video that would be more slower for you guys. So when I cut the weft there, I started sewing single weft, because I want the hair to look as flat as possible at the top. That's why I sewed the bundles single weft. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, but it's self-explanatory because you don't want the top of your hair to look bulky. If you want it to look as flat as possible, then you go ahead and cut the weft each time you get to the edge of the hair, so that the hair doesn't look bulky or anything. I really like this the weft were like double drawn, so one single weft was enough to keep going around the hair without any problem at all. So that's what the sewing looks like. That's the reign of the hair. I actually used 3 bundles so far. The last bundle was the one that I sewed at the top, which I started sewing single wefted. So in order to keep the hair in place, you also need to use your pin, guys. You need to use your pin to keep the hair in place so that you know the side you're going to, and it's gonna be like maybe straight line or use straight line, if that makes sense. So you don't sew one up and one down. It has to be on the same area. So that's what the hair looks like after sewing it. And voila, look at the body of the hair. The hair is really full, guys. Really full. For 3 bundles, I am loving it. So that's what the hair looks like after sewing it. Let me know what you guys think so far. Then I went ahead and styled the hair. After washing and shampooing the hair, I decided to blow dry it. I didn't let it air dry because I just need to get on with it. I blow dried the hair and I did my part as always. I used the Huda Beauty powder to apply that on the parts that I was going for. Then I sprayed the Tresemme Heat Protection Spray on the hair, and I went ahead and used my coiling wand to coil the hair. I really like the hair, and you guys can tell that I was coiling the hair away from my face because that's how it works for me. So far so good. If you really want to see a detailed coiling tutorial, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think, and I'll definitely do that for you guys. And let me know if this tutorial or the wig making process was too fast. If it's too fast, then I'll make another video for you guys and explain better, if that makes sense, because seriously today I don't really know what I've been saying. But since everything was self-explanatory, I'm just coiling the hair away from my face, and I did the same thing on the other side as well. As you can tell, the hair is really full and soft. I love the length of the hair and how full the hair is. I did the same thing on the other side, and voila, no products whatsoever. I didn't have any product on the hair. You can tell the moisture of the hair was just amazing, guys, amazing. No products whatsoever apart from the heat protection spray, which of course is important when you're coiling your hair. So that's the finished look, guys. Stay tuned for the review. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you'd like to see next on my channel. So that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and I'll see you in my next one. Please make sure you stay tuned to learn more about the hair so far, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is all about this hair right here. I actually showed you guys how I installed this hair, how I made it as a wig. The hair is actually 3 24 inches bundles and one piece of 20 inches closure. I showed you guys how I coiled it, how I styled it, and how I made the wig. The hair was actually body wave straight from the box, which I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. So in total I used 4 pieces of hair to achieve this look right here. Look at that, guys. Look at that. I'm just gonna quickly tell you guys what I really like about this hair. The hair is really full. Got 3-piece bundle and 1 closure. I'm loving the body of the hair. It's so full in my opinion. The quality of the hair is also amazing. And another thing I like about the hair is the fact that the hair took to curls really well. I've been rubbing my hands through the hair since, and there have been no shedding or tangling whatsoever. I quite like the fact that the hair was really bouncy even after washing it, shampooing the hair, as the hair still, the curls were still popping. And I really love how soft and silky the hair feels. I don't know if you guys can feel that. I put my hands towards, I run my hands through it many times, but there was no shedding or tangling whatsoever. The hair is really soft, and for 24 inches the hair is almost up to my waist. So that's what the hair looks like. It's really long. The hair is really long and it's true to length. The wave pattern of the hair, and I love the fact that the hair took to curls really well. And another thing I noticed about the hair is the fact that the wefts are double drawn, so this makes the hair really full. 2 bundles might even be enough for you to sew a lace frontal wig. So depending on the look you're going for, the hair is really full and very soft and silky to touch. The hair is actually from Klaiyi hair. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but I'm going to leave the details of the hair in the description box below. And I also love the fact that you can ask them to customize your closure for you in terms of, center parts, half parts, or 3-part. They have all kind of closures with different types of parts, so depending on what look you're going for. But I actually prefer the 3 parts, that I can customize myself. But if you're not sure of how to do that, you can also request that you want a side part, you want a 3-part, you want a center part, depending on what part you'd really like. The thing that I like about the vendor is the fact that the shipping of the hair is really quick, and also they have affordable hair on their website. They have body wave, they have straight hair, they have curly hair, they have all types of hair and style that you'd like to go for in case you're interested in them. And also there is a sales going on their website, which is the season sale and season spring sale. So if you're interested in any of their products, please feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think about this hair. Is the fact that for 3 bundles I am loving it. The curls of the hair is really bouncy. The hair is really soft to touch, and you can dye it, you can curl it, you can tongue it, you can straighten it, you can do whatever you like to the hair, just like your own natural hair. I love how soft the hair is, and I love how silky it felt. I didn't apply any products on the hair so far, not even a oil or anything whatsoever. The only thing that I applied on this hair is the heat protection spray, which was necessary because I need to use it on the hair. So apart from that, I've not used any products on the hair at all, but the hair is giving me life. It's so soft and tangle free. Look at that, look at that. If you're the type that like that loose wave kind of curls, you can use your normal tongue, you can use your normal coilets to achieve that. And also if you're the type that like tight curls, or you're tired of wearing the hair like this, you will use that tiny coilet to coil the hair to achieve that voluminous look. So on you and the look you're going for. So but for me, I'm loving these curls with the wand at the moment. And I also love the fact that I can pat the hair any way I like within the 4x4 closure, so depending on the look you're going for. And I like the fact that the lace of the closure was transparent, so it was easier for me to manipulate the hair or style the hair the way I like it. It looks like at the back. So this is what the hair looks like. What do you guys think? I quite love the length of the hair. Really, the hair is really long up to my butt. So if you're the type that really like to make your own wig and be able to customize it to your own taste, then I would definitely recommend you get their bundles. They are very full, and they don't have that nasty odor or smell to them. They also come glossy straight from the box, and I like the fact that I can actually customize the hair the way I want to my own taste. So if you're the type that likes such thing, then I would definitely recommend you guys check out their website. So that's my thoughts about the hair so far. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below. Please feel free to check out the vendor and let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!